Welcome back my fellow plastic menders to 3D pen crafts made easy. My name is DK and today we will try to explore the possibility of embedding a shape onto our plastic sheet, as this will open up a certain creative freedom of working with plastic. Just to get a feel, I will throw in some filament for a base layer and set a high temperature to quickly get it to melt. I have already prepared for this moment by cutting a small triangle from a thin bed sheet. Let's place it on the hot plastic and see what happens. The black hot plastic just sucked the red triangle in and embedded it onto itself. The triangle perfectly retained its shape. Let's see what happens if we remelt it and get it to flow. The sides show a little bit of flow and the embedment feels a bit more flush with the base. The sides clearly show that the lines have flown and curved now, so much so that a hole is starting to appear on one of the sides. The edge is completely flush with the base now. To get a bit more experience and insight in this technique, let's go ahead and do another one. This time with both base as cutout being thin sheets. Do note that this cutout has some irregularities on the edge and a hole, as well as going for a real low temperature setting of 150 degrees Celsius compared to the previous around 200 degrees Celsius. This temperature is about as low as I could possibly go to still get it to melt with my filament and oven. I have aligned the holes to be on top of each other. As can be seen, the plastic doesn't get sucked in as the previous test showed. This due to that the red triangle previously got melted by the heat of the black sheet, whereas with this one it isn't able to do that. So let's push it back into the oven and help it out. Even though it is completely attached, it looks more as if it is pasted on top of the black sheet instead of embedded into it. Overall, it looks a bit less crisp than the first one, and the irregularities on the edge are a bit more apparent. The red sheet has sunken into the hole, running flush with the black sheet, and its own hole remained. The backside on its own tells the same story for the black sheet's hole. Suggestions, questions and requests are all much appreciated in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to reply and perhaps follow it up in future content. If this seems to be the channel that you would enjoy, please consider a like, share and subscribe, and join me in making some fun crafts. Thanks for watching and happy bending everyone.